Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today I am in Michigan again, and so I'm in my daughter's kitchen along with my grandson. Tell them your name.
My name is Cameron. Hi.
Okay, this is Cameron, yes. And guess what we're making today? We are making some what?
Sushi.
Sushi. We're going to make some fruit sushi actually because it's for Cameron and his friends. So we want to do a kid-friendly sushi, okay? So for those of you who are new to my channel, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can check me and Cameron out on some other videos. So we're going to just go ahead and get to it.
Yeah.
Since we're making a fruit sushi, we have fruit, so our ingredients will be bananas.
Okay.
And what are these?
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
And
so we have chopped up some strawberries.
Yeah,
and we have
some
Nestle chocolate chips. We also have some marshmallow cream, and we have some seaweed.
Seaweed.
Okay, so what we're going to do first, we're going to open our seaweed.
Yeah, we're going to open our seaweed first. Then we'll open the strawberries.
We've already chopped up our strawberries, and we chopped them up very fine. And our chocolate chips are very small. These are the Nestle semi-sweet mini chocolate chips. They're very small. Okay, so we're going to start off with a piece of seaweed, just like you would with normal sushi. We're going to put it on top of our cutting board. We're going to open up our marshmallow cream. You know, normally on regular sushi, you have rice. But we're going to use marshmallow cream because I think that's going to just taste delicious. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to spread the marshmallow cream. And then I'm going to let you put the chocolate chips and strawberries and maybe the bananas, okay?
Okay.
So let's spread this on just like you would the rice.
Okay. So a little bit after more.
Am I spreading it right?
Yes.
Does it look good?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Oops.
Oh, no.
It's okay. It's okay. You got to be careful with the seaweed because it's real easy to tear. We don't want to tear it, okay?
Yeah.
So we're almost finished spreading the marshmallow. Oh, this is going to be delicious. I can tell already just from the ingredients. Look at this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Good.
Oh, it looks good. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
let's cut up a banana. Hold on.
Okay.
So what we want to do with our banana, we don't want it to be too much longer than the sushi paper, our seaweed paper. So we're going to cut it about that long. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to cut it in half again. And I think it's thick enough where we can cut it in half again. Okay. I want the piece to be almost even all the way across. So let's move some of this out of your way. We're going to put the banana here. And it didn't go all the way across, so we're just going to cut another little piece and put it over here so that it goes all the way across. You see that? So let me grab a piece of paper towel. Okay, I want Cameron to just grab a few of the chocolate chips, and he's going to sprinkle them on top of the banana, okay? Put them right on top of the banana. Okay, a few more. And some over here. And some over here. You're doing a good job. You see how he's spreading them out like that? That's how I want you guys to do it. Let's put some on this side. Nope, you don't eat them. Well, if he's going to eat some, I'm going to eat some. No, put some more on here. Ooh, okay, no, put them on the banana. Stop eating them. All right, couple more. Let's do a couple more right there. I'll help you out. Now, that's enough. Now we're going to do the same thing with the strawberries, okay?
Okay.
Okay, put some strawberries on there.
Okay.
Spread them out just like you did the chocolate chips. You did a really good job. Come on, spread them out. There's a couple more right there. There you go, it's eating again. See, you can already tell this sushi's going to be good. He's already eating the ingredients. Stop eating the ingredients, put them on there. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Now, so here, wipe your hands. So with sushi, you know you have to roll it. So we're gonna take it from the side where the banana is, and we're gonna fold that over. And we're gonna try and tuck it under.
Oh no.
And we're just gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And there we go, we've got a sushi roll. So, let me see that, so I can wipe my hands.
So it's like a taco or...
No, it's a sushi roll.
Oh, that it was
So, now we gotta get a plate. So, hang on, you guys. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is slice up our sushi and plate it. Our sushi doesn't come all the way to the end. So, what we'll do, we'll just slice the ends off first. And just set those to the side, okay?
Okay.
So, now, nope, this is a sharp knife, so Grandma's gonna do the cutting part, okay?
Okay.
There we go.
So, I know how to cut.
So, as you can see, our sushi, it looks like sushi because you have the yellow in there, you have the red in there, and you got the little brown in there. You know how sushi has different colors inside?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna put them on the plate like that. Is it pretty, Cameron?
Not yet.
Not yet. It looks pretty to me.
But not yet, but with a face.
Okay, it's gonna be pretty.
So I go face. Then I go face.
Okay, look at these. These are looking really nice.
Yeah, they look really nice.
Now, that marshmallow cream is sticky. So, okay, so we have a bowl of soapy water, and of course we've got paper towel. So if your hands get a little sticky, you can just rinse them off and dry them off because, like I said, the marshmallow cream is a little sticky, okay? So, just gonna keep cutting these. I think we can get 2 more out of here. Okay, so I'm gonna stick my hands in there, rinse them off a little, wipe them off a little, and I want you guys to see our sushi. Look at that. It looks delicious. So,
I can try one.
you wanna try one?
Yeah.
I wanna try one too. Okay,
Let's try one.
let's try one.
Ready?
Can you get it? Here, can you get it? You put the whole thing in your mouth. Ready? Go. How it taste?
That was good.
It's good, yeah. So that one was good. Now we're gonna try another type of sushi. And for this sushi, we're gonna use these. What are these called, Cameron?
Crispy treat.
Rice Krispie treats, yay! Okay. You know how some sushi comes in the long things, they look like bars. They're the long, skinny things. So what we're gonna do is that. We're gonna use our Rice Krispie treat. We're still gonna use a banana. So we're gonna put the banana on top of there. Do you wanna sprinkle the strawberries on top?
Yes.
Okay, sprinkle the strawberries on top of the banana. A couple more.
It looks really pretty.
It looks very pretty, yeah. And then, you know how some sushi has caviar on top. So our chocolate chips will serve as our caviar. No, put one. No, I'll do it. So there we go. We're going to pretend that our strawberries are salmon. Okay? So we got our salmon on top. And now we're going to put some caviar on top of there.
But I want to eat this.
Here we go. And now we've got sushi with salmon and caviar. Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh. Okay, so our sushi is done. We have the ones, I think you call it sushimi. That's what that is. And then we have the roll, which is similar to a California roll. Okay? Now, Cameron's gonna taste it first.
I'll taste that sushi.
Come on, ready? Go.
Yeah.
You gotta bite it. Take a big bite, and then I'm gonna take a bite. Mmm.
Mmm.
Well, good.
It tastes very good.
Yay! It's good. Mmm. Okay. So a tip for making your kid sushi is instead of using the seaweed paper, because some kids may not like it, you can use a tortilla and roll the tortilla up the same way. You know, they're used to those. Okay. So there's so many different things that you can use to make the kid sushi. Instead of chocolate chips, you could have used blueberries. You could use chopped up cherries, watermelon, all different kinds of fruit. There's so many different things. Just make it fun and delicious. These are snacks that your children will love. And maybe one day when they grow up, they'll eat the real sushi. But in the meantime, and guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna eat the rest of this sushi, right, Cameron?
Yeah.
And we'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.
Bye.
Here, hold that. You eat some, and I think I'm gonna make some more so I can eat me some.
Okay.
Okay.